Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at some window treatments for our windows at home. We're doing some updating around the house, and I want those particular shades right there in the middle. I love the way they kind of move up and down. There's some more affordable options. We're here at Home Depot, and I'll share some others with you that we're looking at to do the downstairs area. We're going to do downstairs first and then move up to upstairs. So definitely Home Depot is a busy place, but I love being in here. The ones that I found were online, and they were like I said, a lot more affordable, and than the ones that are in store. So like I said, we're gonna be doing some updating, and I also we're gonna be purchasing a new washing machine and dryer because ours is like so old and so rusty. We're headed outside, and we are looking at some lamps. I've also wanted to try to get me a fire pit for my backyard. I really love that one in the middle. I'm trying to do some updating, guys, like seriously. I love plants. I think if you watch some of my home tours, you'll see there are several plants around the house. They're so pretty. I think these are tulips. Let me see. Yes, and they smell so good. These are my favorites over here. I want to show them to you. See, my house doesn't get bright light, so these would be very hard for me to kind of care for. But my favorite, these right here. Okay, so I want this set. I want this set for my backyard. I love it with that fire pit. And I love this pergola. This is really nice. So like I said, we have our minds on enjoying the outdoors, and we have our minds on fixing up some things around the house. It's just time. This is just the season for us to get some things done, which we should. So off to the paint department. Hey friends. Hey. Okay, so I left you guys when we were at Home Depot, and we're gonna be doing a few home updates. Not a lot of home updates because we've only been in our home 2 years, and so that's not a lot of time for something to have changed. But we want to change the blinds in the house, and you know, the blinds have very cheap blinds, and at the time we just couldn't afford it with first moving in to give the blinds an uplift, and so we're going to kind of do that. And I want to layer another rug over there on top of that one. But because I still have a high traffic house with boys, I can't put too light of a color rug in there, so I have to figure out what I want to do with that. I see you over there, little boy. And I'm gonna kind of take you around and show you what we're gonna be updating. Okay, so we're gonna kind of start in here. Over here I have these blinds right here, and I want to take them down, and this window is I forgot what they call this type of window, a transom windows, I think. But we have these 3 here because see, it has those windows up there. And then we have these 2 windows right here. The blinds are gonna get taken down, and I wanna do a bamboo shade, not anything real fancy or anything. I kind of want a different look. If you notice that my house just has a little bit of a different look. We're not so modern or a farmhouse, but we kind of very boho, kind of eclectic in between. Those chairs over there are gonna get a little bit of a touch up of paint. I did those chairs myself, and those were thrifted. Someone built the table for me, and for a very good, decent price. They live right here in the neighborhood, so we were very blessed for that. And this is a 10-seater table. And so here we have this window here that needs gonna be getting an update, and then that window over there that's gonna be getting an update. We're getting ready to have just a little tiny movie night because we don't normally do this on a weekday, but we're gonna go ahead and do it tonight just because no homework, I guess, and something out of the norm that kind of, you know, takes us off the beaten path, I guess. So that will stay there because that's kind of like pushed onto there into the glass. These windows will get an upgrade, and so just being excited about trying to upgrade the windows. You guys know how I feel about just trying to upgrade some things. And so that window over there will get an upgrade, and that's a funny acting window, so we're gonna, you know, get that one switched out. I gotta wash dishes, so don't mind those. And another thing that we're gonna do here is the front door is gonna get a coat of paint, and that was the paint that I was showing you in the store in Home Depot. It is a color by Behr Marquee, and we got the Behr Marquee paint, and we got it in the color limousine leather. And guys, we're only gonna start with the front of the house blinds first, just because it can get very costly if you're trying to do them all at one time. So take your time. You don't have to, you know, over decorate or do anything that is gonna just, you know, put you down in the hole. So just keep in mind that it just takes time to do those things. The funny thing is that my boys have taken some dips on these stairs, unfortunately, just because they can get slippery because they're wooden. I've always thought about putting a runner, a very pretty boho eclectic type runner on the stairs. And I don't know, I would definitely, tell me in the comments. I mean, they've taken some dives on these stairs. The runner would be very unique, but it also would help with the traction on the stairs. Some other things that we're going to be doing in the house is just, like I said, some soft updating. It won't be anything. I have a restroom up there, if you can see kind of through the bars. It's a half bath. And then I have a restroom right here that is a half bath, and both of those are going to be getting some things that are going to be updated in those restrooms. Here I'm going to put a round carpet, a 10 by 10 round. I've been looking for some boho eclectic type rugs that will just make a statement right here in this foyer. Those pillows there are from IKEA. These chairs were thrifted. A lot of our house is already on our home tour part 1 video, and it's definitely, I'll take you through the master bedroom. I'm not gonna go through the master bedroom and the master bath right now because it's not clean, but I definitely wanted you guys to see just what we were doing and just the updates that we're gonna try to do with the windows. We're gonna update the wash, the laundry room. So we'll video that as we're going through it. And then we are gonna go ahead and purchase a new washer and dryer just because the other one is getting on my nerves and it takes forever to dry the clothes. And so we're gonna kind of do that. And I really didn't want to purchase one, but I did. I'm tired of the clothes having to take so long to dry. And the last thing is that I'm going to move this table and I'm going to put it in a different place. And I'm going to get a bigger piece for this little area right here, just because I like the wooden details and I want something that's wooden right there, because I like the pops of wood in the house. So we will see how that goes. But other than that, that's pretty much going to be our updating. And I will kind of, give you guys some updates. If you're following me on Instagram, make sure you go there. I throw a lot of updates on Instagram and just pictures of what we're doing with the house and things of that nature. And also, whatever I post on Instagram, we'll post on Facebook on my Delightfully Style page. Don't forget that if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button so you join the Williams Party of 6 family. And also, don't forget to visit shopvault28.com. And we're having a 60% off sale there. And let's see, what am I forgetting? Just stay tuned for more updates on this house business and home updates and just what we're doing and how, we're just taking care of our home. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you again soon. Bye.